I'm John Gray. Winter in New York State certainly can be rough and cold, but a new law is hoping to help New Yorkers heat their homes in case of an emergency.
A new law will allow propane suppliers to fill tanks for people who are not their customers in emergency situations. But as Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine tells us, not everyone is happy with the law.
After years of complaints from Capital Region residents having issues getting their propane tanks refilled during the cold winter months, Assemblyman Angelo Santa Barbara sponsored legislation which would allow homeowners to get deliveries from another propane supplier in times of emergencies. On Thursday, it became a new law.
Under previous law, these families, these homeowners were limited to one single supplier. Whether they could deliver or not, they were just stuck waiting, sometimes for weeks. And as you know, during the coldest months of the year, some of these calls came in during February, they had no options to keep the heat on.
The law requires emergency propane providers to complete safety inspections and testing before the tank is filled, prohibits additional fees and penalties for service, and requires the Attorney General's Office and State Department of Agriculture and Markets to create a propane consumer bill of rights. Bill Overbaugh, Executive Director of the New York Propane Gas Association, says the law falls short.
It fails to define what an emergency situation is. And second, it fails to protect a propane dealer's investment. And third, and most importantly, it fails to address any safety and liability issues.
The association wants amendments, including the emergency supplier to assume all responsibility for any problems that may result from improper filling or testing of the tank. When I asked about liability, Santa Barbara told me this.
Ag and Markets will be developing the regulations. That's probably going to be underway shortly here so that we can see those regulations when they come out, and to make sure that things are done properly, to make sure that all the specific procedures are in place. Who's responsible for what, when this applies, when it can be accessed, and how the new regulations will work.
The law goes into effect in April unless there is a qualifying emergency. In Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
Thank you, Jamie. New 9